Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where everyday tech tasks are explained in simple, practical steps. In this guide, you will learn how to automate or schedule airplane mode on an iPhone. There are many reasons someone might want this feature. For example, airplane mode can automatically turn on during nighttime hours or switch off at a specific time in the morning. It can also be set to activate during certain routines or events. No matter the purpose, scheduling it is straightforward. Here's what this walkthrough covers: accessing the Shortcuts app, creating a shortcut that controls airplane mode, scheduling that shortcut using automation. Optional, setting a separate automation to turn airplane mode off. Let us jump right in. Step number one: open the Shortcuts app. Begin by opening the Shortcuts app. If it is not installed, simply visit the App Store, search for Shortcuts, and download it. Inside the app, you will notice two important sections: Shortcuts, Automation. These are the areas needed for creating the airplane mode schedule. Step number two: create a shortcut for airplane mode. Start in the Shortcuts tab. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new shortcut. Then follow the steps. 1. Tap Add Action. 2. Use the search bar and type Airplane Mode. 3. Select the Set Airplane Mode action. Once selected, choose whether the shortcut will turn airplane mode on or off. For this example, set it to turn airplane mode on. Tap Done to save the shortcut. It will now appear in your list of shortcuts. Step number 3. Schedule airplane mode using automations. Now move to the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap Create Personal Automation. This allows the iPhone to run an action automatically based on a chosen trigger. Airplane mode can be scheduled using many triggers, including a specific time of day, when sleep mode activates, sunset, sunrise, routine-based events. For example, to activate airplane mode at sunset, select time of day. Choose sunset. Tap OK. Tap Next. Then tap Add Action. Choose Set Airplane Mode and set it to On. Tap Next. Review the settings and save the automation. Airplane mode will now turn on automatically every day at sunset. Optional, automate turning airplane mode off. If airplane mode needs to turn off automatically, create another shortcut using the earlier method, but set it to turn airplane mode off. Then create a second personal automation. Return to the Automation tab. Tap Create Personal Automation. Pick a trigger such as sunrise or a specific hour. Add the Set Airplane Mode Off action. Save the automation. With both schedules in place, the iPhone will turn airplane mode on and off exactly when needed. And that's it. Automating airplane mode is a simple way to manage interruptions, conserve battery, or follow a daily routine. The Shortcuts app allows complete customization so the feature activates at the perfect time. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is intended for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings demonstrated are safe and publicly available features of iPhone devices, iOS, and Apple apps. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Always proceed carefully and make adjustments at your own discretion. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And hey, please don't forget to subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.